Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn to start crocheting with plush yarn for absolute beginners. If you are just starting to crochet and you want to make your first soft and cuddly plushie, this video is for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, to not miss another video like this one. To start crocheting we need plush yarn. It is best to start with a medium plush yarn. Check it right here for the size of the hook used. You can start using a 4 or 5mm hook as it is more easy to start with. First we learn to make a chain. The first step is to make a simple slip knot with your crochet hook. Next, you will loop the yarn over the hook, which is called a yarn over. Hold the working yarn, long end, with your left hand by looping it over the index finger, under the next two fingers, and over the pinky. This gives you more control over the tension of the yarn. Pinch the slip knot with your thumb and middle finger to hold it while you work the stitches. There are many different ways of holding your yarn. This method is simply the one that works for me. Feel free to experiment. Now with the hook in your right hand, grab the yarn from underneath point 3. Pull the chain stitch. Next you will draw the hook with the yarn through the loop. You did the yarn over, and with the yarn now secured by the hook, pull it backwards through the loop that is already on your hook. Now I am going to frog this chain and leave 3 chains only. It is called frogging because you rip it. Now that we have 3 chains, put your first round into the stitch second from the hook. Work your crochet hook through the second stitch away from the hook, which is also the first stitch you created, and create your first round entirely in that stitch. Slip stitch into the first stitch. To close this round and start the remainder of your pattern, make a slip stitch into the first stitch of your ring, and proceed to the next round. Now here we are making 6 single crochets. A single crochet stitch is a basic crochet stitch that is the shortest of all the stitches. To make a single crochet, wrap the yarn around the hook, then pull the loop through that stitch, leaving you with 2 loops on your hook. Wrap the yarn around the hook once more, pull through the 2 loops, and you've made a single crochet. Now I have finished my 6 single crochets, and, to close the circle, I need to make a slip stitch. Insert the hook into the first stitch you made. Wrap the yarn over the hook from back to front. Pull the yarn through the stitch and the loop on the hook. This creates a new loop on the hook. If you made it this far, congratulations! You have just began your journey to crochet. Now this that we crocheted is called the first round or first row. For the second round I usually make a chain then continue to crochet. Put a marker to see where you started the round. In the second round we will learn to increase all the 6 stitches. To increase we need to make 1 single crochet, then 1 other single crochet in the first stick that we made the first single crochet, so in 1 stitch we make 2 single crochets. Repeat this process 5 other times, and when you count the single crochets for the second round, it need to have 12 single crochets. Now close with a slip stitch. Pause the video here if you want, and at the third round make 12 single crochets and close with a slip stitch, so at round 4 we will learn to decrease. At round 4 we will decrease at all stitches, and at the end of the round we will have 6 single crochets. To decrease, insert your hook into the stitch you want to start your decrease. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch either through both loops or only the front loops, depending on the type of decrease you want. Yarn over and pull up another loop, so you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. You have just created 1 single crochet decrease. Repeat this process 5 other times and close with a slip stitch. If you made it until the end, congratulations, you have just learned the basic of crocheting a plushie. Follow me for more videos or plushie tutorials to learn even more. Thank you for watching the video.